Swope Cars of Yesteryear. 1910 brush, B-R-U-S-H, with wood axles. Check out the squeeze bulb horn that goes down, around, and here's the trumpet right there. Wooden axles, or wooden wheels, wooden spoke wheels. And it does have a wooden axle. Old Ford. We have a 1914 Model T Ford Runabout. (1935) Packard Mayfair. This is a Dodge Bradish. (1924) Chrysler. It's a 70B Touring. 1914 Model T Ford Touring. And this is going in style. Squeeze bulb horn. Here's the trumpet down here. Camaro SS. 1969. (1948) Chrysler New Yorker. You got that flathead. Some serious horns in that one. Another flathead. (1936) Packard 120B. (1937) Cadillac Fleetwood V12. And a straight stick. Look at that. Turn over here and look at this side. There's that Camaro again. 1941 Buick Super Coupe. Oh, here's a pretty 1932 LaSalle convertible. The hood ornament. And this got the rumble seat as well. Boy, this is nice.